In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the big hat filter on TikTok. So if you want to get the bubble hat filter, then this is a video you don't want to miss because I'm going to show you how you can get this. And this works on Android and on iOS as well. Let's get started. So first of all, you want to open the TikTok app on your phone. You want to click on Discover and you want to go to the search bar. Now right there, you can see that I've actually tested this, but you want to search for big hat and then filter. And then you want to scroll through these so you can see users, videos, sounds, and hashtags. You want to go to hashtags and then click on the big hat filter hashtag. And then you'll see all of these videos. You then want to click on a video where someone's using the filter. And then right there, you can see the bubble hat effect at the left, bottom left corner above his username. Click on that filter. And then right there, you can use the filter. You can click on add to favorites, or you can click on the like the camera icon, like the red camera icon in the circle at the bottom of this page. Once you click on that, you can actually use it as well. You can also click right there on the share icon, and then you can share this on Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook Message, or you can copy the link and then you can actually use that. I'll leave that in the description or in the pinned comment down below, so you can also just click on that to use it. Now that's pretty much how to get the big hat filter on TikTok. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.